today we're making steak, sandwiches, and we're going to the park with my wife, and we're just gonna hang out, relax, maybe have a little sesh there. I'm gonna bring a little e-rig, and yeah, man, we're gonna eat some food and have a sesh. So if you wanna come enjoy some good times, let's get to rocking. So for today, we have 2 grass-fed steaks. They're pretty nice. This one looks like a little bit better on the marbling side, but they're both nice, both good. We've had these before. They're a little thinner, so they cut it perfectly for like sandwiches on sourdough. So we're gonna go roasted carrots, roasted onions. Then we're gonna go garlic, a little bit of rosemary. Some of that's for something else, but a little bit of rosemary and these steaks. We're also gonna roast some corn that's not out here. So we're gonna have roasted corn that's gonna be like sauteed with pepper. We've done it before. And then we're gonna have the carrots, onions, steak sandwiches. A lot of food. I'm not stoned. It took me forever to even process what I was making. It's a steak sandwich. So stoned right now. All right, we're gonna peel up these carrots and get to work, baby. Let's do this. All right, for these carrots, we're gonna cut them, cut all the tips off, and then we're gonna cut them at an angle so we can roast them in there. Okay, I had to put a paper towel or a towel underneath this because it was just sliding everywhere. So for these, you're just gonna go and cut them at an angle. Not too thin, not too thick. That works. All right, we're gonna take our carrots, bowl, olive oil, salt, pepper. You know the deal. Come on.
Favorite.
Oh, we dropped them. Don't forget to peel the outside layer off. I'm just gonna get a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper on those, and then those will roast with the carrots. Heat the oven. Come on. Get a little pan, toss some foil on there. Olive oil from the carrots and the onions should be cool, so you don't really need to coat it. You can if you want, but there's so much in here already. These things ain't sticking to nothing, all right? Oily. Be me and you in a wrestling match. I'm oiling up. Bring it. Jana's eating a glizzy. Sus. The oven is preheating up to 420. Cast iron is going to start getting warm, and then we'll start to get these steaks cooking, baby. We're going to make some steak sandwiches, so we're going to get these done nice, medium rare, so they're nice, tender, beautiful fucking sandwiches. Love a good steak sandwich. I think we're going to do some pepper jack cheese on them as well. We have some sourdough bread. Oh, I got to get the corn. I need to get the corn off the cob because I think we're going to roast some corn. I'm going to ask the wife if she still wants that. But see, we're almost there. Food time, baby. Pat dry these steaks and then get some seasoning on it. We're just doing salt and pepper, man. You know how it is. It's super easy. Got some New York strips here. They look fantastic, actually. Perfect for sandwiches. Perfect. All right, these are going in the oven. Go ahead and put them in the top rack. They'll be fine there. 420 degrees. Get some salt and pepper on these bad boys. Don't be scared to be generous. I need a better pepper grinder because this thing, it just does not want to grind. When it does, it gives me like these little dashes of pepper. More grinding than I do on Apex. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pat that down so we don't lose too much of it. When we flip it and get the other side, flip them. Boom, damn, these are gonna be so tender. These are perfect for steaks. These are perfect for steaks. These are perfect for steak sandwiches. Finish the sentence. All right, cast iron is hot. Butter, olive oil, garlic, rosemary. Let's rock. Let's get the steaks in there first. right, now we let them rest. I'm gonna let these rest for a little bit longer because they're gonna be cold steak sandwiches. So these are just chilling. UFC time. The weigh-ins, baby. Joe, this motherfucker's huge. Jeez. What do you think, Wade? 260, 254, 248, 248. The tank. Okay, these have been sitting for a little bit, so let's go and let's get these sliced up and see if I overcooked it too much. Well, this looks perfect for the sandwiches. Getting like a medium well. This one's like, oh, it's actually pretty perfect. I'm not mad at that. We're not mad. Nice. Man, medium rare, baby. We got it. Let's go. That looks literally perfect. Let's toast up this sourdough, make some sandwiches, head to the park. Assembly time. Jana likes hers a little more well done, so she chooses the most cooked ones.
I do.
But if you want medium rare, there is. Don't shame me in the comments.
Bro, your shit's too cooked. Alright, one more. Go.
You just basically like the end pieces more.
Mm-hmm.
And I eat the middle.
It's super thin tomato. Some lettuce.
Sandwich. Cut it in half, stick it in a bag. Let's go to the park. Roasted veggies, looking great. It's just red onion and carrots, but they don't look perfect. We're gonna go ahead and get those in the container. I soaked up a lot of the oil with one of my pieces of bread, so hopefully that turns out okay. Yeah, I want to go around because that's where we went.
Then we'll go that way.
We figured that out last time. Yeah. Let's go to the park over there. And we're at the park. Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna follow these toes. Shit, this costs $10.99. Guys, better start paying up. Yo, what's up, thickums? 3 C's, yo. If you try to attack me, I will murk you. I can take a squirrel. I can't take a tiger. Guaranteed 1v1. I'm clapping that thing. Clapping it. It might scratch me, but I'm grabbing it.
Here's your Sammy.
We got a sandwich. We made it. Let's eat. We found the flowers, man. It's actually nice as hell out. Fucking thick ass squirrels being sus.
Look at the top though. It's toasty.
Rate my meat.
God damn.
1 out of 10. Would you put it in your mouth? She would. I'm so ridiculous.
There's this sandwich and then the sandwich they tell you not to worry about.
Oh my god! Oh my god, so Jana likes hers toasted in the toaster oven. I toasted mine in the cast iron. Jana hates the cast iron, so.
I don't hate it.
Yeah, you hate it. Don't lie.
I just want it to be clean like all the time. I hate the smell of the cast iron.
Yeah, but you want to let that cast iron get a little dirty. I want to get a little dirty. You know what I mean? You don't want to clean that. No, let it bake on there. Let's get some grease. Who needs butter when you get cast iron grease from some meat from last week? I don't know. Yeah, but this looks really good.
Damn, big ass part of the tree just fell.
Over there?
Yeah, the girl.
Oh, damn. What the fuck? Let's take a dab. That's cool. I already preloaded it. Dry dabs, because I don't have a bottle of water to fill it with, so oh well. Pine Park rosin is tasty, man. That was the GMO slaps. Shout out to DabTech too, man. Thank you guys. We'll have a link in the description for 30% off discount on this. Oh, my trash. The Terps at the park, man. It's a good sesh. It's a good sesh. All right, we're gonna hang out for a little bit and then head home. And I don't know what the heck else we're gonna do in this vlog, but you're gonna find out because you're coming with us. Let's go. Good morning, YouTube. Another day, another vlog. Today we are going to a dispensary to check out the Pine Park rosin in the store. We're going to From the Earth, and then we're going to lunch with the homies. Let's go. But first, you know we're loading into a couple of games on Apex, man. Come on.
It's not even on. Want a bite? Probably not.
It's not even recording in the right setting. But it doesn't matter if you can see me or not because we're going to Korean barbecue and we're going to the dispensary. Sit down.
I just want to rock.
Where are we going?
Buddy, buddy, yeah.
Yo, chill the fuck out, bro. What are you eating?
It's
no one
eggs.
teach you, dude. Chew your food first. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's just eggs and jalapeno and mushroom. That's it.
That was zoomed into your face, not the thing.
No cheese.
Where's the cheese?
I ate it all.
Let's go. Oh shit. Cannabis dispensary. This it's over here. Oh, let's go. We found it. Got the American flag up there. We sell drugs. Alright guys, we just filmed a little bit of an adventure here at this amazing dispensary. We're hungry though, so let's go get some food. I'm gonna text Jana, she's gonna join us. Family, friends, Korean barbecue. Let's rock.
Do one of these, one of these.
It's starting to come out. Sauce gun. Why are you talking, bro?
It's insane. Bro, the dry kids on this shit. Mitchell, help me. Clean that shit up.
Man, what a stream last night. If you don't know, we live stream on twitch.tv/Tim Brown, California. Last night, man, big shout out to the Goblin. He came through and hit us with a raid of like 400 or 500 people. It was nuts. It was nuts, man. Big thank you. Shout out to everybody that came over. You guys were super cool. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys watching the content, watching the live streams. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.